Welcome back to Autopulse USA. Automobile Today, we're diving into one of the most important topics for every driver and passenger, car safety in 2026. The automotive industry isn't just racing toward electric and self-driving cars, it's also making vehicles smarter, safer, and better equipped to protect us in every possible way. From AI-powered crash prevention to next-gen airbags and even health monitoring inside your car, 2026 is bringing some revolutionary safety features. So, buckle up, let's explore the top safety technologies you'll find in cars in 2026. 1. Advanced Driver Assistance Systems, ADAS. One of the biggest leaps in automotive safety has been ADAS, Advanced Driver Assistance Systems. In 2026, these systems are not only standard in most new cars but also smarter than ever. Adaptive Cruise Control 2.0, unlike older versions, 2026 models use AI to predict traffic flow, automatically adjust speed, and even prepare for sudden braking 2 or 3 cars ahead. Lane Keeping plus Emergency Steering Assist, cars now actively steer you away from potential danger, like drifting into another lane or avoiding sudden obstacles. Blind Spot Monitoring with autocorrect, instead of just warning you, 2026 cars can nudge your steering wheel or apply brakes if you're about to change lanes into another vehicle. Light Bulb. This isn't about replacing drivers but assisting them, reducing accidents caused by human error. 2. AI and predictive safety. Artificial intelligence is taking safety to a whole new level in 2026. Predictive collision avoidance. Using cloud data and real-time vehicle-to-vehicle communication, cars can detect dangers before you even see them. For example, if a car 2 blocks ahead slams on its brakes, your vehicle will already start slowing down. Smart traffic interaction. Vehicles share data with traffic lights, road sensors, and even pedestrian smartphones to minimize accidents in busy intersections. Driver behavior analysis. Cameras and sensors inside the cabin track fatigue, distraction, and even heart rate. If the system detects you're falling asleep or having a medical emergency, it can safely pull the car over and call for help. This isn't sci-fi, it's real, and it's saving lives. 3. Next-generation airbags and crash protection. Airbags aren't new, but in 2026 they've evolved dramatically. 360-degree airbag systems. Instead of just front and side airbags, some cars now deploy external airbags on the outside of the car to absorb crash energy before impact. Adaptive airbags. These adjust inflation speed and size depending on the passenger's position, weight, and seatbelt use. Rear passenger protection. With more families using SUVs and EVs, automakers are adding airbags between rear passengers, preventing head collisions inside crashes. Meanwhile, vehicle frames are made with ultra-high-strength steel and smart crumple zones that redirect crash energy away from passengers. 4. Autonomous emergency features. Even if you're distracted for just 1 second, your car might save your life. Automatic emergency braking, AEB, with pedestrian plus cyclist detection, now smarter, it can identify children, pets, and even predict the path of cyclists. Intersection assist. If you try to cross while another vehicle is speeding toward you, the car stops itself instantly. Reverse automatic braking prevents backing into people, poles, or other cars. These systems are becoming standard, not luxury add-ons. 5. Vehicle-to-everything, V2X, communication. One of the most exciting safety advances is V2X communication. Car-to-car communication. Vehicles constantly talk to each other, sharing speed, location, and road hazards. Car-to-infrastructure. Cars receive updates from traffic signals, construction zones, and emergency vehicles. Car-to-pedestrian. Pedestrians carrying smartphones can be detected by cars even before they step into the road. This creates a safer, connected traffic ecosystem where accidents can be avoided before they even happen. 6. Health and wellness safety. Cars in 2026 don't just protect you in crashes, they look after your health. Driver health monitoring. Seats can check your heart rate, breathing, and even detect strokes or heart attacks. Fatigue plus distraction detection. AI cameras monitor your eyes, head position, and alert you if you're nodding off. Emergency assistance. If a serious health issue is detected, the car can slow down, pull over, unlock doors, and call emergency services. This is life-saving tech far beyond traditional car safety. 7. Child and family safety features. Automakers are making cars safer for the whole family. Rear seat reminder 2.0, no more forgetting a child or pet in the back, the car alerts you and can even activate climate control. Smart car seats. Some models integrate child seat sensors that ensure proper installation and monitor the child's well-being. Interior air quality systems. Prevents kids from inhaling harmful cabin pollutants by filtering out toxins and allergens. 8. EV-specific safety. With EVs dominating 2026, safety is also evolving for electric vehicles. Battery fire prevention systems. Cars have thermal sensors, fire-resistant casings, and auto-cooling tech to prevent EV battery fires. Silent car warning systems. Since EVs are quiet, they emit safe sound alerts at low speeds to protect pedestrians. High-voltage disconnects. In a crash, EVs automatically cut power to prevent electrocution. 9. Future of safety. What's next? Looking ahead, we'll see even more futuristic safety features. Cars predicting road conditions using satellites. Full self-driving crash prevention networks. Holographic windshield warnings with real-time hazard visualization. Biometric authentication for starting cars, preventing theft and unauthorized driving. So, those are the top safety features in 2026 cars, from AI crash prevention to health monitoring and next-gen airbags. Cars are no longer just machines that take us from A to B. They're becoming intelligent guardians on the road, keeping us safer than ever before. Backhand index pointing right. What do you think is the most important safety feature of the future? Comment below. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Autopulse USA for more car tech insights. Thanks for watching, drive safe, and I'll see you in the next video. Oncoming